Good morning, y'all. Today is December the 26th, 2020, and it's real, y'all. We are stuck in a snowstorm. It's real. As you can see, I'm dressed fully. I got the snow boots on and everything.
Hi, everybody.
He said hi. But y'all, for real, we're stuck, y'all. Who stole your food? Your food is on the counter. Oh, it failed when they was getting popcorn. It dropped on the floor. Yeah, when Brittany was getting the popcorn, she took it out with one hand and splattered on the floor. So yeah, back to it. Keep getting interrupted so I can tell y'all what's going on. Okay, y'all. So this is really serious. We don't got no soap in there. You better get some soap. We stuck, y'all. Like, we can't move the cars, nothing. So not everybody. There's still people here about to watch the kids. We about to go, me and Josh about to go in the storm. We about to weather this storm. We gotta go get some food. We already have shelter. I would say food and shelter, but we don't need shelter. We already have food. But I don't know. I'm recording. Y'all keep messing with me. Let me excuse these people. But y'all see, I'm ready, y'all. The storm has trapped us in the house. The weather is the temperature, y'all. For y'all know this is real and this is no bull. Hold on. Let me show y'all on my phone the temperature. Last night it was 10 degrees. Right now it's, I'm gonna tell y'all the degrees. Okay, y'all, if y'all can see this now, it is 18. We're out here, it's 18, y'all. That's how cold it is. Okay, y'all, it's really cold. It gets colder and colder. So we're trying to weather this storm, y'all. Y'all stay tuned with us. I'm gonna take y'all on this hike with us, going up these mountains, because we're on a mountain, y'all. And hopefully we don't get trapped and frozen. And this is my last YouTube video that y'all see of me. Wish me well.
March one here.
Get out, y'all. I'm trying to. This is about my life, not y'all's. Goodness, y'all in the way. Yes. Are you ready? Oh, I didn't know. Shut that door, Jada. Shut my door. Okay. As y'all can see, I'm ready. He's ready too with the plastic bags on his feet. As y'all see, he got the plastic bags on his feet. But it's okay. We ready to weather the storm. Roxy over there hungry. I see you, girl. Eat up, girl. Eat up. Okay, you ready? I'm scared. You shut the door. All right. Y'all, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment that y'all hope we return safely. Comment down below. Y'all see the cars we snowed in. Did you shut the door? It's getting real. I feel warm though. You got the face mask? Yeah, just grab like 2-3 face masks. Y'all, so this is the hill we're gonna be going up. As y'all can see, it's nothing around us. Ooh, I'm sliding. I'm sliding, y'all. Oh, this is our nice cabin though. Ooh, I'm falling already. I'm gonna show y'all. I was just showing half of the cabin. You got the mask? Yeah. Okay. Y'all, it's getting real. He got the plastic bags on his feet because he wasn't prepared. He got Tim's on. But I'm prepared because I got the felines on. Do they see us? Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh, I gotta put my gloves on. Hey, you leaving me? Hold on. I'm coming. Come hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Hold on, man. Hold on. You ain't gonna be able to make it. You're not gonna be able to make it.
Hold on. You walking too fast. Oh, shit. It's real. Y'all, this gonna be a long video. I ain't even gonna cut it. Cause this is me surviving the snowstorm. And y'all gotta see if we really survive. Whew. Oh, I see them leg muscles. Whew. It's working the legs.
I don't know if we brought a bag so that way we can grab some stuff on the way back.
What you mean a bag?
Like a gym bag.
Oh. Think about that. You gonna go back in the house? That seems so far away.
Right.
The house
I'm
seems so
not
far.
going down there. I'm going over this one.
That's how, yeah, so this is how the house look. Perfect. Look. That's how it looked. That's how our cabin looked. Want me to wait right here? Huh? Okay. I'm gonna wait right here. Yeah. Good luck. It's real. Oh shit. I hope we don't lose phone service, cause there's no service out here. Y'all, it's so pretty though. Like, look up at the mountain. Like, look, y'all can see like the hills up there. It's really pretty, but we won't have no neighbors or nothing. It's nothing. Whew, almost fell. It's scary. Look at my shoes though, y'all. See, I was ready. These are actually my daughter's shoes, but we can fit the same size. So, y'all, I hope y'all had a good Christmas though. Our Christmas went good, and then, you know, it snowed, and everybody was happy that it snowed, but we thought it was gonna be a little bit of snow, because around our way we used to like some snow, and we able to get out of the snow. But up here, there's some different type of snow, and he got a big dually truck, and he still can't really get out because on this the hill, it like y'all gotta see. I'm gonna show y'all everything. So y'all just stay tuned, keep watching this video, you know. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Come on, y'all, like, subscribe. I'm out here in the cold trying to go hike for the family and get some food, because we on our last bit of food, because Walmart was closed on yesterday, on Friday, so I only had food for 2 days, and we're on our 3rd day, so we out of food. So we gotta go get some food and see if we'll be able to get out of here. So that's what he went to go get, a duffel bag. Y'all, it's freezing. It's really freezing. Let me pick up some snow. Look at the snow. It's cold. Whew, I got my earmuffs on. I'm glad. I got my contacts on. It's really real. But this cabin is so beautiful. Like, this was a fun experience, don't get me wrong. But we supposed to leave tomorrow, which is Sunday, December the 27th. And it don't look like we might be able to get out here. We might be stuck. So I don't know what we gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna have to make some phone calls and see, cause everybody's stuck. We really stuck. We ain't trying to go sliding, you know, we got kids. So, oh, he just came back, y'all. He got the bag, so I'll put some stuff in the bag. There he go, y'all. He right there. He went to go get the bag, so he on his way back. Don't fall. Oh, it's so loud. Don't fall. It's crazy. Whew. But I hope everybody enjoyed y'all Christmas. Merry Christmas again. If y'all just seeing this video, let's go into 2021. Hopefully it'll be a great year, even better year, and let that year be great. You all right, babe? What's that? Oh, Lord. Fix your hat. Why your hat leaning? It's a house right there. You see that house right there?
Yeah, we need to go knock on that door and see what they got.
See what they be doing to get out the storm.
All right.
We might need to knock at their door. I think we might need it. They might be up here too. Don't fall, babe. Whew. I'm gonna just turn the camera around.
Be careful. That's ice right there on the tracks. You might want to walk on the side. Like that.
Right here? Or on the side right here?
On the side.
Okay. Y'all see that house? I don't know if y'all can see it. It's up there. We're gonna get closer. Whew.
Damn, some big ass mountain in that field.
We done with cold weather, man.
Yeah, shit like this.
Like, look, we gotta make sure it don't snow.
Yeah, they say anything about snow, things we need to get out, stuff. We believe in that shit. We believe that shit for real. I made it to all the way right here.
Oh, wow. Look, they got a little truck thing. That's what we need right there. That over there, babe, look.
I'm gonna look in there and see if the shoes in there.
Oh, try to pile out.
The keys in there, I'll be able to get out with that.
Wanna go looking in there?
Right here?
Oh, that's where you got stuck at?
Yeah.
Oh, yesterday.
And then like, well, I was sliding down right there too.
Oh, wow. Whew. Don't fall. Y'all see that house right there? Oh, that's up a hill. We ain't trying to go all the way up there. There you go looking in these. Somebody might not even be there.
Yeah, right? It don't look like it.
No, I don't even like nobody there.
Cause I know our house, it look like we smoke bonfire.
Yeah, you can see. Yo, this is crazy. You gonna look in these trucks?
Mm-hmm.
I ain't even think it snowed like that out here. Yeah. Shit. Oh shit. We in somebody's truck. Oh shit. Oh.
Ain't got the keys.
You don't see the keys. Y'all, I'm out of breath. Sorry for breathing hard. Let's go. Alright, that was a no luck. Yeah, we stuck.
It's hard to climb all the way up here like that. You can tell we us walking on we slipping.
Huh?
Us walking on.
Look at the bear prints. Look.
That's a deer, man.
That's a deer?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thought it was a bear. What is that? You don't know if it's a bear.
It's a deer. You can tell the hooves.
But you got. Hold on. Is we prepared for gun? I mean, for
I ain't got no gun.
We don't got nothing. Babe, what you want? No knife? Oh my goodness. Oh, Lord. Look at these, y'all. Oh shoot. I'm gonna roll. Oh. That's real. Oh, that's really real. I think this is the hardest part right here. I feel like this is really hard. I need to call the people, man. I just need to call the people. Look, they got a bus over there. Oh, shit. I need to call the people. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to call them right now. Because I don't think we can make... You only FaceTime, right?
Yeah.
Can't call right now. Gotta wait till we get to the house and call the landline. This how serious it is, y'all. We can't even call nobody. We can only FaceTime people.
This is serious hill right here.
Oh shit. Whew. I'm gonna burn some calories today. A what? That's what I said. Over there. Oh shit. Whew. Okay. We can do it. I see a house right there. Oh, there's a house right there too, babe. Look. Oh no, somebody is there. Look, it's a car. It's a car there.
What we gonna ask?
How the fuck you get out?
I ain't got no crazy ass hill like we got.
There's a house right here. Look at that.
No, you can't be out here recording everything. You know what I mean? You know we in a small ass. They don't be doing that shit. We don't look like we ain't from here.
Something happened to us. They got to see it all. Oh, the road clear. The road clear. Y'all, we made it to the top.
Yeah, the road clear like a bitch.
Okay. Oh shit. Babe, where's GPS at? Oh shit. Huh? I'm out of breath. Y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all when we get to where. Oh, I see it right there.
Yeah?
Yeah, right here. Oh, look at the bus right here. You talking about? Y'all, look at the bus we was talking about. The abandoned bus.
That shit like it's on the side of the road. Oh yeah, that shit right there.
Oh no.
There used to be a house up there.
Oh look. Look, y'all.
I've never seen no bus that old.
Somebody in there. Look. It's crazy. Whew. Oh my goodness. I think the hard part was the snow. Now I feel like it's like more easier to walk now.
I feel like we can go home.
Oh no, nigga. What? Yeah, look. On a cliff. Whew. The mountains. Camp Wonka Wonka. I don't know where we going. We're about to just follow this road, y'all. I'ma hit y'all in a few. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So we made it from the mountain. And now we on the main road. Still walking, y'all. Still walking. Houses. Whew. Y'all. This is real. Real. Bet you doing alright? You doing alright?
I'm doing alright. Just walk back gonna be hard though.
Oh shit.
I'm going back up that hill like that.
We might try to get a ride. She said she got Uber or something. We try to Uber.
Huh?
Try to Uber or something. You can just drop us.
That's weird. Somebody Ubering all out here.
No, we can try to like, they can drop us off like right there by the exit. They don't gotta go all the way down.
Yeah. But I'm just saying, I'll be surprised somebody go Uber though. Maybe somebody do Uber. I don't know.
Yeah, she said she got Uber. We can do Uber.
Alright.
So I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a few. Alright, we gotta get some cereal, milk, and juice. Alright, y'all, we made it back. Somebody gave us a ride in town. You got some paper towels.
You ain't gonna pack the car that way.
I ain't gonna pack the car up. Or you can get the little ones then.
Well.
The individuals. Just get like 3. That's all we need. We got tissue.
We already got tissue?
Yeah, we got tissue. We got tissue. Yeah, we was able to get a ride because somebody pulled over. He was so nice. If he ain't pulled over, we would have hurt.
Tissue already?
Yeah, we got toilet tissue.
How you know?
We brought it. We got a whole pack. Nobody ain't go through it yet. It's double side, baby. We good. We're really good. Oh. All right, let's see. Y'all, this is real. It's real out here.
Get some food, baby. Hurry up.
All right. Go ahead. I don't know what that is. Some butter. I need to get some butter. Excuse me. Some butter, some more milk. Y'all, it's real. It's really real. Oh, this is crazy. Hot Pope. Oh, nobody drinks hot Pope. Might need some more eggs, some butter. Some butter. Some more breakfast sausages. What's this? Might need to get some bread though. Oh no. 4 packs of these. Yeah, I'm sorry if the camera's all over the place. Yeah, we made it. We would have been hiking. What's this? Bae, I don't think this is real chicken nuggets. Is this chicken nuggets for you?
Nah, that was for kids.
Is this real meat?
Yeah, well, I want to be.
Oh, because it's like it's on a vegan side. And that stuff is like more vegan.
It's not vegan. Oh, this is all
Oh, okay.
breaded chicken nuggets with red meat. Had it with red meat, yeah.
Alright, okay. Yeah, I just put some butter in there. Let me get some grits. Yeah. It's real. Let me get some more cereal. Cereal. Apple Jacks. Y'all, it's really weird. I might look crazy right now, but it'll be alright. I might look crazy. Oh my goodness, my mask coming off. We gotta hurry up because the person out there waiting for us. Oh, we need to get some soap. We can get some more soap. I don't got no soap. Some soap. Let's see. I don't know what I'm looking for. Oh, it's real. Gotta have a soap. Lord, my look, the glove, y'all. Drop the glove on the ground. All right, y'all. I'm gonna hit y'all when we get back to the house. Babe, who the hell eat roast beef? Who you get roast beef for? We don't eat roast beef. I'm gonna get back, y'all. I'm gonna get back to y'all. Y'all, so We just got dropped off. We're back. We're good. Our food. The food.
Right.
The highway.
So
So we just got back to the cabin, dropped off at the cabin. That was nice. Thank you again. So y'all, now we gotta take the bags off. So, babe, I think you should get this one. Yeah, you put that on. We got some ice. We was able to get some ice too, y'all.
where my gloves at?
You got your gloves? Your phone right there. He putting his gloves on, y'all. That was crazy, y'all. If we didn't get a ride, if somebody ain't stopped, we would have been walking for like 3 to 4 hours just to get to the store. And then that would have been another like 3 hours back. 6-hour walk like we drove.
Yeah, what time is it now?
What time is it now?
It'll be like 12 o'clock. I should be able to fuck my truck in there.
It's 1 o'clock on the dot.
Yeah, I should be able to fuck my truck.
See, 1 o'clock on that.
If I get out of here, I'm gonna park my truck right here on the side of the road.
Oh, we just walk up. But yeah, y'all, he gave us a ride. That was nice of him. He dropped us off. So now we gotta get the bags down the hill. So that's what we about to do. When we get down to the hill, I'm gonna hit y'all in a few.
Hey, man, you can take a picture of this.
Take a picture of what?
Like this, like, you can see the off.
What you mean? It's kind of hard. That junk all the way down there, like.
Put your phone, cell phone on me.
All right, I'll be back later. Y'all, we back in the cabin. We made it. We made it. I slipped, y'all. I knew she was gonna slip. I slipped, but I made it. Girl, when I was coming down the damn hill, I doot. But I made it. Y'all made it. Miguel, where Miguel at? Girl, it's real. Whew. You seen me fall?
Thank you for that. Worried I did.
Yeah, the way I fell, I just was like, did I really fucking fall? No, he said he didn't. Cause it was so sad. I felt like, I just laid there for a couple seconds.
Oh my God.
I laid there for a couple seconds and it was just like, damn, I really failed.
So how did the man see y'all?
He was coming down there to the, whew, girl, I gotta catch my breath. Cause we made it. That would have been like a 4-hour drive. Yes. But I'm saying, like, if we were, it's high.
Definitely Uber.
Uber, girl, we paid him $50 for waiting for us. Oh my goodness, y'all. Don't try this at home.
So what happened?
Yeah, he just pulled up. He was like, y'all okay?
Hell no.
And he was like, we trying to go to the store, get some groceries, stuff like that. And he was like, y'all hop in. Because he was by himself, that was good. And his trunk was empty, so yeah, worked out well. But yeah, whew. Mommy made it, girl. Mommy made it. Ain't you happy? I survived the storm, y'all. I weathered the storm. It's hot. I'm hot as hell now. I got all these different coats. Yes.
You saw when you was walking?
In the loop, yeah. A little bit. They got the ice down there. Nah, I had just took them off when I was coming up here. Y'all, we overcame the storm. I fell. I can't believe I fell. Girl, I'm surprised your ass not looking out. They got the window open up top. Right. It's hot. Yeah. Close that window. It's wide open. That shit wide open.
Like y'all do stuff. Y'all would have did that if she was.
All right, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. She fussing. Oh, y'all. Don't, ooh, who hit me? I ain't mean to hit you. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is, y'all, we still trapped, believe it or not. I wrote the people to see what they gonna do. See if they gonna get us out. Cause the man, we had to get dropped off at the top. Cause we can't come, he looked like, I'm not coming down there. Heck no, I'm gonna be stuck with y'all. So, yeah, so I'm waiting for her to reply. I sent her an email. I called her phone, but it kept going to voicemail. I'm like, now, we gonna be here. Y'all better not charge us. But yeah, we got chicken nuggets, hamburgers, some hot dogs. He got some fish for him, some french fries, cereal, stuff like that. So yeah, we got some soda. But y'all, until next time, have a good one. Bye.